In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to control your Calendly meeting availability 5 minutes. Start by opening your browser and heading to calendly.com. On the homepage, select Log In. Enter your email address, click Continue, then enter your password and continue again. After you're signed in, you'll land on your Calendly homepage. From here, choose Availability. This is your command center for when people can book with you. You'll see two helpful ways to manage your schedule: a calendar view and a list view. Use whichever feels more natural. Let's look at the calendar view first. Click into the day you want to change, then choose to edit that date. Pick the exact date you're adjusting. If you want to open up times, click the plus icon to add a time range. You can add multiple ranges if, for example, you want availability in the morning and again in the afternoon. When you're done, click Apply, so those changes stick. This is great for one-off adjustments like making a specific Friday afternoon open or blocking a holiday. Now switch to the list view. Here you can set your default weekly hours. For each day, use the plus icon to add a time range or click the X to remove one you don't want. If your week has a unique day, say a late start on Wednesdays, use date-specific hours. Select the day, set the time ranges that apply only to that date, and click Apply. This ensures your regular schedule stays intact while you fine-tune exceptions. Another powerful way to control availability is at the event level. Go to Event Types. Choose the event you want to adjust and open it. Click the Availability tab. Then use the pencil icon to edit the schedule this event follows. Add time ranges with the plus icon, just like before. When prompted, apply the changes to the selected event types so they share the same availability rules where appropriate. Finally, save your changes. A few quick tips as you go. Double-check the time zone displayed at the top of your availability page so your times appear correctly to invitees. If you connect a work calendar, Calendly can automatically respect busy times from your existing events, which keeps double booking at bay. And remember to click Apply or Save whenever you see it. Those buttons finalize your updates. That's it. You now know how to control your availability in Calendly using the calendar view, the list view, and event level settings so people can only book when it truly works for you.